What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again with another great, amazing tech video. The video of today, it's all about unboxing the HP Omen. And to be honest, on this kind of video today, it's gonna be awesome because this kind of machine, it has bunch of great and amazing spec. And for further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, here we have it. This is a HP Omen. As you can see me carrying it this way, it's a 15.6. It's a 15.6 inch, so it's a 15 inch, and it's really kind of impressive. So let us just unbox it and see what's packed throughout this kind of HP Omen. So guys, here we have it. This is the HP Omen. We're gonna just unbox it. Whoa, as you can see guys, there something which is so great. I think this is the power brick or the charger. Oh, it's really big. You can see guys, it's damn big. This is the power connector, and this is the power charger. So this kind of power charger, I think the voltage is 200 watts. It's stated somewhere here it's 200 watts, and it's a really kind of brilliant idea. So I'm gonna keep this one aside. What's packed here, ladies and gentlemen? It's the HP Omen, but there are some things perhaps somewhere here. Let me see. Whoa, there's nothing else packed. It's only the HP Omen and the power brick. Now, let me keep the box aside. Woo! Nice. I like that kind of glass there. It's really amazing. So guys, right now we're gonna check out how much spec it has. So it's really kind of brilliant. First of all, you can see at glance how much the keyboard layout it looks like. It's really kind of impressive that you can turn on the lights and turn off the lights, but you cannot control how much the lights you want. It's not like the way we review the Predator, but I'll talk about it. But this one, it's quite a little bit different. You can see guys, on the keyboard it's just red. You cannot control the RGB from this kind of keyboard. I think that's a little bit kind of downside. Another kind of stuff about this machine which I like about it, it's really kind of minimal. First of all, the mouse trackpad. Let's talk about the mouse trackpad. The mouse trackpad is quite no bigger, it's medium, but I wish it could be a little bit kind of big, up to somewhere here. I wish it could be that. It would be much more comfort. Just like the way Apple they do it, it will be much amazing. Another kind of stuff, I want you guys to see something. You see this kind of silverish, or I can call it the rainbow glass glowing from Omen. It's quite not vibrant, to be honest. It's not glowing. Just don't say this glows or has a light. It just reflects just like the way it is. That's it. Another kind of stuff, I love the way the ventilation they kept for the fan. You can see somewhere here there are two fans, 1 and 2. So the air will just be crossing and doing this way, something which is so great. And somewhere here too, the air will be flowing, something which is so great for this kind of ventilation, and I really kind of like it. So another kind of stuff, let's talk about the ports. On the charging port, you can see guys, we're getting a charging port, something which is so great. We're getting an Ethernet port. It's really kind of awesome. You're getting a USB port, HDMI, a headphone jack, and a memory card port, something which is so great. On this sideways, as you can see, we're getting a USB Type-C port, and this is like a monitor port which looks like a Thunderbolt, and you're getting another 2 USB port, something which is so brilliant about it. I wish they could keep it like Predator, they usually do it. At the back it's the power port, but HP tries to maintain to keep it just the way they keep it, their form factor on how you can dock it, your power charging somewhere here, something which is so brilliant. Another kind of stuff, you can see how much it touches a lot of fingerprints. You can see if you just touch it, fingerprints, they'll just stay all over, something which is a little bit kind of downside on this kind of material, but anyways, that's how it looks like. But you can just skin wrap it, put some stickers with it so as it cannot get this kind of fingerprints. It has an Intel Core i7 which is 10750H, which is a high performance processor. We are getting a RAM of 32GB, which is DDR4. Getting the hard drive, which is 1TB SSD, which is really kind of brilliant. You're getting a VGA of 6GB RTX, which is your VGA is like a graphics card. So you're getting a graphics card of NVIDIA RTX 6GB 2060, and you're getting a Windows 10 coming with it. And the color, it's black, as you can see guys, and displays 15.6 FHD. That means it's full HD. Another kind of stuff, it supports up to, not supports up to, but the refresh rate, it's 144 Hz refresh rate, something which is so brilliant about it. So yeah guys, that's what's up. I tried testing out some few gaming, but there's a problem with my internet here home because it needs to update a lot and a lot of drivers throughout this machine. But overall, throughout the specification, as some of you guys know, if you're into that kind of gaming ecosystem, or not gaming ecosystem but high-end machines, you just know that a much better high-end machine can perform better fluidity throughout gaming experience. Not only gaming, but even your creative workflows when it comes to graphics designing, rendering, 3ds Max, you know what I'm saying. It's a really kind of great thing. So here I am with this kind of bad boy. You can see it. Here it is. It's a really kind of impressive machine. I'll be honest with you guys. I like the way the form factor they kept it. It's really kind of thin. If this is how the gaming machine right now they're going, it's really kind of impressive because it's just portability. It's really portable, and you can just carry it and keep it on your bag and just you just do your works on the go. It's really kind of impressive stuff, and I'm really enjoying the form factor of HP Omen. So that's what's up about this video today. And another kind of stuff, if you didn't check out the offer of a machine, which is a Dell, which is right there at Gadgetronix, you can check it out. I'll leave a card here down below so as you can check it out, and I'll be seeing your smiley faces on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, peace.